Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for heading over and joining me here on my channel SEPT 18. I have here another design team project for Shabby Art Boutique. This is part of the September digital kit collection called Autumn Whispers. I had done a couple of projects in my last video, as well as sharing with you some of the gorgeous collection using the Autumn Whispers kit for Shabby Art Boutique. It is a gorgeous collection. If you want to have a look, she has them available in her Etsy store, and you can have a look there. Carrie Ann designs the images. It's just so lovely. They're just gorgeous shabby theme images and pictures. They're just beautiful. So this is another project that I made, and it's a vellum envelope and pocket set, and I'm going to show you how you can make the envelope using vellum, and the pocket as well using the vellum. I had done a tutorial a while back on how you can make these vellum envelopes, but I'll do it again in this video. That way you could see how you can make one, so you can make it into a little set with this pocket tag. So let me just show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to show you how you could make the set. So this is the envelope, and this is one of the background digital papers. There was soft pink tones, and there is also a blue tone collection kit in the kit set, and I decided this time I'll use the blue. And there were some lovely butterflies that you can fussy cut, some leaves, and some of the autumn theme images, as well as some word sentiments. And so I did some layering in front of the envelope, and I did put in here a couple more cute little images that I'd fussy cut. So this is a cute little bow, and this gorgeous cute little mice inside a teacup, showered in some cute flowers. It's just adorable. And this is the envelope, so it's a nice large size, and I'm going to show you the size and how you can make this as well. And then this is the vellum pocket, and I used the tag that was also included in the kit. So it's a nice large tag, and this is a smaller bow. And then some more of these lovely leaves, a pumpkin. There was a clock face. I dressed it up with some leftover lace and some trim just to decorate this side. And there is the pocket, and you can see this is the vellum. You can see the vellum there. And then I layered in front of the vellum with the fussy cut images. And this is a smaller tag that was also included in the kit. So there are some large tags and some smaller sizes, and this tag just so happens to fit in there perfectly when I made it. So I thought this would be a cute little set if you wanted to gift a little set like this to a crafty friend, or you want to just keep it for yourself and add it into some of your journals. So I'm going to show you how to make this complete set using the kit. If you don't have the kit, you could use other papers. So I did fussy cut some of the images as well, so I'm going to make it and add some of the images to the envelope and a pocket tag as well. So what you're going to need, we'll start with the envelope first, and it's really simple. It's just cutting your paper to a 6x6 size, or if you want to make it a little bit smaller, you can do it at 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. So it's just a little under the 6x6 size. So this is another one of the gorgeous background prints. So I cut this paper at 6x6 inches. And you want to, let me see, so, and also for the tag, you want to cut out the larger size tag from the kit, and then there is a smaller tag. You can cut that one out as well, and that will be the tag that will fit inside your pocket. And you want to also cut another couple of little strips from the some of the background paper, and you want to cut 2 of those at the same size at 1.5 inches by 3 1/4 inches. And these two pieces are going to go onto the larger tag. So we'll do the tag in a minute. You'll also need some vellum. If you don't have any vellum, you can use some of your clear packaging seal bags, or you can use your pocket letters. That might fit. That might work for this size though, but not for this size. But vellum or tracing paper is fine. So you want to cut one larger size. That's for the envelope window. And you want to cut that at 3.5 inches by 4.5 inches. And for the pocket, for the vellum pocket, you want to cut another piece at 2 3/4 inches by 3 inches. I'll put the measurements down below for these two window sizes, as well as the measurements for the envelope. So let's make the vellum envelope first. I'm just going to get the scoreboard. If you don't have a scoreboard, you can just mark your measurements using a pencil and a ruler. So what I'm going to do is you're going to line it on your scoreboard, and we are going to score on 3 sides, the 2 sides and the bottom, at 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch on one side, and I'm just going to turn it around. I'm going to go this way and go 1/2 inch on the other side. And I'm just going to check the pattern because it's got a directional pattern. I want it so that the cover, the closure of the envelope is sort of facing at the right direction. So I'm going to have that side going onto the right side. So then you're going to score the bottom at 1/2 inch as well. And then up the top here, we're going to score at 4 1/4 inch. I think that's right. Just one, let me just double check. Sorry, it's 4 3/4. Sorry, 4 3/4 inch. So that's your paper once it's all scored. And all we're going to do, we are going to remove these 2 corners out. So I'm going to cut it straight up, and then I'm going to angle cut this side and do the same to the other side, and angle cut at the top. And then we'll do the same to these 2 top panels. So I'm just going to cut straight down, angle cut that side, and then do the same to this side. So there is your paper once it's all of the 4 sides are cut out. And I'm just going to corner around the corners up the top here, like I've done here. You can leave it as is if you wanted to, if you don't have a corner rounder. And now what we're going to do, we're just going to, oh sorry, I forgot to angle cut this side. So that's how it should look. So I'm just going to fold the 3 sides up. And we're going to grab the vellum sheet that you had cut at 3.5 inches by 4.5 inches. And that's going to be placed inside like that. And now you'll want to grab some glue. Hopefully I've got some glue left in my bottle. I'm just going to take this out now. I'm going to put some glue along this side, the other side, and also at the bottom. And I'm going to place it just somewhere just above that score line, trying to get it centered and nice and straight up the top. And all you're going to do is you're just going to, you can also notice that my vellum sheet does not go all the way to the end. It doesn't really matter. It's just you just want to enough so that you're able to create a vellum front. And I'm going to bring this side down as well, and just making sure that that's nice and straight there. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more glue to the, just here, even though I did add glue to the bottom of the vellum. Just want a little bit more glue on the edge there, and seal that off. And that will give you your vellum pocket. And then fold that over, and there you have yourself a pocket with a vellum cover. Nice and simple. And then you can decorate the front if you wanted to with some of the gorgeous images that I've got here that I've already cut out. So you could do that and add a little bit of decorating to the front, which I might just quickly do, just so you can see how pretty it is. Even if you want to decorate it, you don't have to. So I might do that. You could also decorate the closure. I might just do that. I might just add this to the front. I'm running out of glue. I didn't fill up my glue bottle before I done the video, but I think I'll have enough. So I'll stick that down, and I'll put this, let's see, I might add this cute little leaf that's in there. This was also in the kit. Just to pop a little bit more colour. So that looks cute, and I'll put that there. Only thing with vellum, you just got to be very careful, because once you've added glue to vellum, you'll be able to see it. So I didn't do any distressing for this one. I'm just gonna put it on it just so you can see how nice it looks once you decorate your envelope. So that's all pretty much done there. Quite happy with that. Just add a bit of glue here. And I'll leave it at that, just so you can see how it looks once you decorate your envelope. And you can also add some more embellishing to the top if you wanted to. You could add a Velcro dot to the top and the bottom just to keep it closed. So that is how I made my vellum envelope. And now to make the vellum pocket for your tag, you're going to grab the larger size tag, which is this one, and your two little pieces. And I'm just going to fold them over in half. And then we're going to have the fold pieces on the outside, and they're going to be glued onto the tag like that. So I'm going to glue one side, and line it up, sort of just about there. Now we've just got to make sure that your vellum window will fit, and then we'll do the same to the other side. And just try to get it lined up as best you can. Okay, so now you're going to have these pieces all open. We go to grab the little piece of vellum, and that's going to be placed on the inside. So just making sure that there's enough room for that. So what we'll do now, we're going to add glue to the two sides. And then I'm going to turn this around the other way, and we're going to put glue to the bottom at the back of it. Turn it back around this way, and we are going to place the glue that we'll place at the bottom. Put that down, just making sure the top part is straight, level. And then the part where we had glued on the sides, I'm going to add a little bit more glue just to here, just to there, and also on this side. And then we're going to close that up, and that will give you your vellum pocket. And that will get closed up, so then your tag should fit in there nicely. Now this part here, because you can see all the wet glue, that's why I had decorated the front with some of the images. So we can go ahead and have some fun decorating this bottom part. So now that's all sealed, you have a pocket. And I might just see what we have here. I might even do the same and place that up there. So, it's a cute one of these are in there too. I might put the pear. I might go this way and go that way. So you can see now it's hiding all the glue part down the bottom, so you're not going to see that. So I'm going to glue this down, and this will complete your pocket tag. So I will put all the links down below to Shabby Art Boutique's Etsy store, Instagram and Facebook, and you can see all of the lovely designs and all of the other collections from other previous digital kit collections in her store that you can purchase. And she does also have free printables if you are subscribed or become a member of her Facebook group or on her website. All the information will be on her website, so you can I'll put the link down below for that as well for you. So now you have yourself a vellum pocket tag. Isn't that just so cute? And then I just did extra embellishing and adding some trim to the side here, and just have some fun and play around with all of the lovely images. I can put that there if I want to. I might just leave that for now. But have a look at all of the lovely digital kits that she has available. I've also done one for last month, which was Forever Friends. That was also a gorgeous kit. But this one is the September collection. I hope you enjoyed this fun tutorial making these lovely vellum envelope and pocket sets using Shabby Art Boutique's Autumn Whispers, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.